Are you among those who think that you can drive 10% plus 2 above the speed limit and not get caught or prosecuted? Come in front of the class for a little discussion. The law states that you are liable for a speeding fine as soon as you exceed the limit. So if you're doing 31 miles per hour in a 30 limit or 71 miles per hour on a motorway, you're breaking the law and could receive a fine. Fixed speed cameras have a set trigger for catching people speeding. However, it is unconfirmed what most are set at, so it's not worth gambling and assuming they give you 10%. To be on the safe side, never exceed the speed limit. Mobile speeding cameras are operated by individuals, so it is up to their discretion to issue you a speeding fine, or worse, if you are over the legal speed limit. As earlier mentioned, the law states that you are liable for a speeding fine as soon as you exceed the limit. So if you're doing 31 miles per hour in a 30 limit or 71 miles per hour on a motorway, you're breaking the law and could receive a fine. However, the National Police Chiefs Council, NPCC, recommends giving drivers a so-called 10% plus 2 leeway to aid police officers in using discretion. However, this is just a recommendation and not the law. It is well worth remembering this is totally dependent on the officer who catches the speeder, and it is up to that officer whether to fine the offender or not. The best advice is to not speed full stop. Moreover, if you're caught speeding, the consequences can be severe. You might face fines, points on your license, or even have your vehicle impounded. So, it's always best to stick to the speed limit and drive safely. Thank you for tuning in today. Remember, safety should always be your top priority on the road. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more informative content. Drive safe and be considerate of other road users.